Unit 14, Part A, Activity 2A. Listen to the conversation. Why is Richard talking to Samnang?
Hey, Samnang.
Hi, Richard. How are you?
I'm good, thanks, Samnang. Listen, I had an idea. I'm going on a camping trip to Mondulkiri with my family. We talked yesterday and we'd like to invite you and your family to come with us. It could be really good fun.
Camping? You mean sleeping outside in a tent?
Yes, exactly. It's really nice when the weather is good. We went camping every year in England. We've already got most of the things we need, and we want to try it here in Cambodia. Have you ever been camping?
No, we usually stay at a guest house, but it would be interesting and different. I'm sure the kids would like to go, and Lekana likes being outside. I think it's a great idea.
Oh, good. Before we go, we will have to go shopping. Vicky and I already have a tent for 4 people and some sleeping bags. But you will need to get those things too.
Okay.
And we've already got a torch, but we haven't got any batteries yet.
Oh, don't buy batteries. We've already got a lot of them. What else do we need?
Well, I haven't got a map of Mondulkiri yet. We will need a map to know where to go if we want to go walking or driving. And I haven't got any mosquito repellent yet. That's important so that the mosquitoes don't bite us.
Is there anything else that I need to get, Richard?
Well, for walking in the forest, you'll need walking boots. Normal shoes aren't strong enough. And a pocket knife is useful because sometimes you need to cut the plants in the forest.
I already have a pocket knife, but not a walking boot. Let's go shopping at the weekend. I have a friend who's already got some camping things that I can use. I'll ask him what he's got, and then I'll know what I have to buy too.
OK, Samnang. Ask him before the weekend, and then we'll go shopping together and buy the things that we haven't got yet.
Unit 14, Part B, Activity 2A. Listen to Richard talking to his family. Decide who has to do each job. Write V for Vicky, T for Tim, and L for Lynn next to the answers to Activity 1 in your notebook.
OK, listen everyone, we're going on our camping trip with the Chia family today, and there are a lot of things to do before we go. Vicky, have you booked the campsite? We don't want to arrive and find that they don't have space for us.
Of course I've booked it. I wouldn't forget that.
OK. Vicky, I'm just making sure. And can you fill the car up with petrol, please?
I've already filled it up. I did it on the way home when I rented it. Tim, have you checked the car?
Yes, I've checked the water, the oil, and the lights. Everything looks fine. I haven't loaded the car, though. I'll do that next. You'll need to pack the bags before I can do that, Mum.
I've already packed the bags, Tim, so you can load the car when you're ready. Do we know what the weather's going to be like? Lynn, have you listened to the weather forecast?
No, I haven't listened to it yet, but I've prepared lunch. It's in the kitchen and it's all ready. I made sandwiches and there's some salad and some fruit. I haven't charged the phones yet, though. I forgot about that. I'll do it now.
OK, thanks, Lynn. Tim, have you looked at the map? Have you planned the route from here to Mondulkiri?
I've planned a route. It was easy. There's really only one route we can take, so we can't get lost. I'll show you on the map in a minute.
Great. Thanks, Tim. Now, what else did we have to do? Oh, I know. Vicky, have you called the neighbours? They're going to look after the house while we're away.
Oh no, I haven't called them yet. Thanks, Richard. I forgot. I'll call them right now.
And Lynn, don't forget to close all the windows before we leave.
I've already closed them all.
Well, it looks like we're almost ready. Tim, have you decided what time to set off? I'd like to go soon.
How about in half an hour? That gives us time to finish everything before we go.
Okay, I'll call the neighbors first, and then I'll call Lekana and tell her we will pick them up in 45 minutes.